You're always tired and your friends are too. And everyone says that, well, that's just life. But ladies, I'm here to tell you that constant exhaustion is not normal and it's also not your fate. So let's talk about the real reasons why women feel wiped out and what you can actually do about it. Hi, I'm Dr. Val, an integrative sleep physician and women's sleep expert. After over a decade of helping women rebuild their energy and sleep, I've seen one thing again and again. Women are chronically tired and they're blaming themselves when really it's their bodies asking for help. Feeling tired all the time isn't a personality trait. It's a sign that something deeper may be off. And here are some of the most common medical reasons behind your fatigue. Number one, hormonal changes. During perimenopause and menopause, estrogen levels and progesterone levels do fluctuate and even drop off. And this can affect your sleep quality, your energy, and your mood. Number two, undiagnosed obstructive sleep apnea. Yes, women get sleep apnea too, and it's often missed because it doesn't look like typical snoring, gasping, or choking. Sometimes you're waking up unrefreshed, with a headache, or just more moody. Number three, chronic stress. When your cortisol levels are up, your body never gets a truly restful state. Number four, changes in our blood sugar can impact your fatigue level. If your diet is high in sugar, low in protein or fiber, you can have energy crashes and they can make you feel really unwell. Number five, low physical activity. I definitely can experience this. Days I'm more sedentary make me feel more sluggish and can even worsen my mood. Number six, nutrient deficiencies. Low levels of iron, B12, vitamin D, and maybe even magnesium can affect your energy levels. Ladies, exhaustion is not a badge of honor, and it's actually a red flag that you deserve better. If you're constantly tired, these are the following labs that I recommend checking out. Number one, ferritin. Aim for levels greater than 50. Vitamin D, ideally above 50 as well. Vitamin B12, above 500. Magnesium, this one's a little bit tricky to check. Check for the intracellular or red blood cell magnesium level. A full thyroid panel can be really helpful. Checking your hemoglobin A1C, this checks for your blood sugar levels, and also your hormones, estrogen, progesterone, FSH, and sometimes some doctors even check testosterone. Ladies, let's talk action. These aren't trends, they're actually research-backed ways to restore your energy and your overall health. Number one, we gotta talk about sleep because I'm a sleep doctor, so make sure you're prioritizing getting at least 7 hours of sleep at night. Get outside in the morning, about a half an hour of sunlight can really help. Avoid your caffeine too late in the evening time. If you really are tired, it's okay to nap, get some rest. Number two, eat for energy. Start the day with some protein and fiber, ditch some heavy sugar meals, offer some blood sugar balancing things. Definitely things with fiber can help. Consider using magnesium or some omega-3s to help support your mood and your metabolism. Number three, move your body. Even if it's a gentle 20-minute walk, it can really improve the way that you feel. Also, add some weight to that. If you can walk upstairs or maybe use some ankle weights or a weighted vest, those are really popular right now, that can help as well. Lower your cortisol, practice stress management techniques. Yes, yoga helps, but you don't have to join a yoga studio. You can sit at home, journal, or do some mindfulness practices. Number five, don't do it alone. Talk to a doctor who understands women's health, get your labs done, and join a community. You're not the only one navigating through this season in life. And the truth is that being tired is really common, but it doesn't mean that it's not normal. You're in transition, not at a dead end. With the right support, your energy can come back and you can feel like yourself again. Hope you ladies found this video helpful. To learn more and be part of a supportive community, consider joining the Sleephoria Sisterhood. Link is below.